Hi, first grade friends. Today in Daily 5, we are working with the short U sound. The short U sound says like in umbrella, or up. Today we're working on spelling colors. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Awesome. Way to go. We are going to write each of our short U words with the corresponding crayon color. So for example, up here at the top, I see the word hum. Let's finger stretch the word hum. Hum. There are 3 sounds in the word hum. And I can see that the word hum corresponds with the color brown. So I'm going to find my brown crayon and with my pencil write hum underneath it. Can you find the crayon that says brown? Way to go, it's right here at the top. Hum. Very nice. Now we are going to be coloring our crayons, but we're going to save that for the very end. My next word is the word cup. Let's finger stretch the word cup. Cup. And I can see that the word cup corresponds with the pink crayon. Can you please find the crayon that is labeled pink? Way to go. It's down here near the bottom. Cup. Our next word is the word rub. Let's finger stretch the word rub together. Fingers ready. Rub. And I can see that rub corresponds with the red crayon. Can you please find the crayon that says red? That's right. It's right above pink. Red. Let's write the word rub underneath our red crayon. Rub. Our fourth word is the word tub. Let's finger stretch the word tub. Tub. There are 3 sounds in the word tub. And I know that it is a closed syllable because closed syllables have a short vowel sound with 1 or more consonants following the vowel. And the word tub corresponds with the crayon that says gray. Please find the crayon that says gray and write tub underneath it. Tub. Our next word is but. I can see that but corresponds with the orange crayon. Can you find the crayon that says orange? That's right. It's in the middle of the page. But. Our 6th word is the word bud. Let's finger stretch the word bud together. Fingers ready. Bud. B-U-D, bud. What color does bud go with? That's right, it goes with yellow. Please find the crayon that says yellow and write bud underneath it. B-U-D, bud. Our seventh word is the word fun. Fun. Let's finger stretch the word fun. Fun. And I can see on my table at the top that fun corresponds with the blue crayon. Please write the word fun underneath the crayon that is labeled blue. Fun. 3 more words to go. Our 8th word is the word lug. Please whisper the word lug. Lug. Let's finger stretch the word lug. Fingers ready. O-U-G. Lug. I can see that the word lug goes with the crayon labeled green. Please find the green crayon and write lug below it. L-U-G. Lug. Our 9th word is the word gut. Gut. Please finger stretch the word gut with me. Ready? Fingers ready. G-U-T. Gut. What color crayon does the word gut go with? That's right. It goes with the black crayon. Please write the word gut underneath the crayon labeled black. Thank you for using your best handwriting. Our very last word is the word Doug. Doug. Please finger stretch the word Doug with me. Fingers ready. D-U-G. Doug. And I can see here that Doug goes with the purple crayon. D-U-G. Doug. Now, boys and girls, please take out your crayons because I want you to color your crayons with the corresponding color. I'm going to use my red crayon first, and I'm going to color the red crayon red. Please take your time when you're coloring and do your best to stay inside the lines. Red. I'm going to color my blue crayon next. Blue. I'm going to color green next. Green. Now, boys and girls, you may not have a gray crayon, so you can always take your black crayon and shade really softly to make a nice gray color. All right, my friends, you get the idea. You're going to finish coloring all of your crayons. And if there is a back side of the paper, it is optional. You do not have to do it. Please turn this into your mailbox and go on to Lexia for your 12 units for Free Time Friday. Good job today. Way to go.